Welcome to the farm, kids. Let's meet some cute animals. Look, this is a cow. The cow says, moo moo. Cows give us milk. Here is a sheep. The sheep says, ba ba. Sheep give us wool. Oh, a horse. The horse says, neigh neigh. Horses can run fast. Here's a goat. The goat says, meh meh. Goats love to climb.